This week's top stories. UK government invests in smart cleaning technology. A space management technology company has been provided with a grant by the government's Innovate UK fund to provide a smart cleaning solution to help tackle the pandemic. Cleverly's smart technology integrates with sensors to collect occupancy data, helping FMs to allocate cleaning resources more efficiently and allow a building's visitors to safely use recently cleaned rooms or desks. Coalition launches to support women in health and safety. Leading safety and health professionals across the world have joined together to promote inclusion by forming One Wish, the global coalition of women in safety and health. The volunteer group's purpose is to forge productive links across global health and safety networks, bringing positive change and better communication about the role for women and other minority groups. Moneypenny FM team welcomes A-list Wrexham AFC owners. An FM team at Moneypenny, the outsourced communications provider, has welcomed its local football team's new Hollywood owners with an outdoor light show. Moneypenny's UK headquarters in Wrexham was lit up with the images of world-famous actors Ryan Reynolds and Rob McElhenney after it was revealed that the two men had purchased the local football team, National League side Wrexham AFC.
For all the latest facilities and workplace management news, read more at TWinFM.com.